Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something for the kitchen. Hey, I'm in the kitchen. Amazing. What I want to talk to you about is baking chocolate. Before I get into that, I want to remind you, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time to do it. Click the button down below. Don't forget, everyone, hit the thumbs up button. And please leave a comment, some sort of comment, so that YouTube will not think you're a bot and actually give me credit for your watching, helping out, and realizing that these videos are popular. All right, so baking chocolate. Baking chocolate comes in a variety of forms. It comes in powders. It comes in like little droplets, like Hershey Kisses that looks like they're slightly melted. It comes in bars. It comes in liquid. But yeah, you can get the good stuff. All right, and it comes in small bars. It also comes in big, thick one of these. And there's a lot of fun things you can do with baking chocolate. All right, so before I take off, just want to remind you, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Try to learn new skills all the time. All right? And I'm going to put the link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. And I'm going to put two links over here to the Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners playlist, so you can share those with your friends, family, coworkers, anyone you think that needs to get prepared, because you want them prepared. Because you don't want them coming after your supplies and taking your supplies from you and your family and leaving you sort of like this.